The Move tool is used to translate or rotate features in a model. It's designed to work side by side with the Pull tool, so it's important to understand how they are similar and how they differ. When using Move, you can either select the feature first and then select the Move tool, or you can select the Move tool, then select the feature. In either case, the result will be the same. Whenever you move a feature, follow 3 distinct steps. First, ensure the feature you want to move is selected. Secondly, choose the direction for the move. And finally, make the move, either by typing in a dimension or by dragging. To start with, let's compare pull and move operations as applied to a face. You will see that they seem to do the same thing, and in fact, in this case, they do. They are simply offsetting the face. In contrast, when we select all faces of the depression, you will see a big difference between pull and move. Move will do as its name suggests, and move the selected feature from one place to another. Pull, in contrast, will grow or shrink the feature without relocating it. As with the Pull tool, the Move tool has the ruler and up to options available. When you move a feature, you can select the ruler if you want to move a set distance. This can be either relative to its current position or referenced to another feature. The Up to option will move the feature up to another reference point in the shape. It's important to note that any move using the Move anchor will use the hub of the Move anchor as its reference. If the anchor needs to be repositioned, it can either be dragged and dropped by grabbing the hub, or you can use the Anchor tool guide in the design screen and click on a face, line, or point to relocate the anchor hub. It's very important to make sure the Move anchor is pointing the right way before carrying out the move. The anchor will set its direction perpendicular to the surface it is sitting on. Usually, this will be straightforward and in line with the geometry of the shape. With irregular shapes, like the rounded corner of the depression for example, any move made will not be parallel to the sides of the shape, but at 90 degrees to the point on the round. To reset the direction, we can use the Move Direction tool guide in the design screen and reference one of the surfaces of the shape. Now the move will be parallel to the sides of the shape. The curved arrows on the Move anchor enable rotary adjustment of a feature. The same 3 steps apply as before. Select the feature, select the direction of rotation, and finally rotate it, either by dragging the anchor or by typing in an angle. When dragging the anchor to rotate, the cursor will act as if it is joined to the point of rotation by a lever. Because of this, the best control is achieved if there is a significant distance between the 2 points. Being too close to the anchor when rotating will generate large amounts of rotation for very little movement of the cursor. Once again, let's compare move and pull, this time when acting on a face with edges selected. The Pull tool will constrain the size of the face as it moves. Whilst the Move tool will allow the face to expand and contract as it interacts with the surrounding geometry. Finally, let's look at copying a feature. Taking the depression as an example, once selected, the feature can be copied by using Control and Move. The ruler and up to options can still be applied to this action. Now you should have a basic awareness of the pull and move tools and be able to start creating models of your own. The Move tool is used to translate or rotate features in a model. It's designed to work side by side with the Pull tool, so it's important to understand how they are similar and how they differ. When using Move, you can either select the feature first and then select the Move tool, or you can select the Move tool, then select the feature. In either case, the result will be the same. Whenever you move a feature, follow 3 distinct steps. First, ensure the feature you want to move is selected. Secondly, choose the direction for the move. And finally, make the move, either by typing in a dimension or by dragging.